Hi guys, it's Sophia. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back to share a couple little projects that I completed, and I'm going to be sending it out as a rack tomorrow. So hopefully this is the first of several little racks that I have on my list to create and send out. So I had this little base already from a while ago, so I decided to finish it up. It's a little mini embellishment book, and I went with the little tropical summer theme. So I just did some stitching here with gold thread. I die cut the circle that has faux stitching on it, and this little bikini I die cut using a die set from Michael's from a year or two ago. And I just, I thought it turned out super cute with the pattern paper. Added some stickles and a little pearl, some bling, and this little flamingo here is from the 99-cent store, and it's a food pick, so I thought it was cute there with some tulle and a bow. And then on the inside here, I decorated up some tickets from the paper collection that I fussy cut, and then underneath I just layered this die cut and some enamel dots on this one. And this one here I layered it over a little drink die that comes from the same little, I think it's the same die collection as the bikini or similar. And then I love how cute this looks with the clear glitter, and it kind of looks like a salted rim there in your tropical drink. So and then it has this little umbrella. I added some little yellow Nuvo drops to add a little something to the little umbrella. Over here I included two little bows, and these were gifted to me in a swap by Kenzie Scraps. She makes super cute embellishments and has a few tutorials on how to make embellishments as well. So I'll link her channel information in the description box below. And then over here, I just added this little piece of tissue because the little enamel dots were sticking. So I just took a little die cut from the paper collection, and I cut it into a tag shape and just added some colorful little Nuvo dots around it. Added this little bow sticker, some lace and twine up here, and some more pom-pom trim, so that can be just popped off and reused. And then I included this little rosette, and it's chunky. I like it, super dimensional. And I used an AliExpress die for the base of the rosette, layered a star, some glittery like mesh tulle, another one of these little drinks that I die cut, and again it has the little faux salted rim, and some more Nuvo drops, this little sentiment and umbrella, and a little crepe paper rosette there at the bottom. And then on this side here, I've been seeing lots of cute little bag toppers, and this one isn't overly embellished, but or dimensional, because this section is like a little bit smaller. I couldn't make it too dimensional, but I did some layering and I thought it turned out cute. And there's a butterfly here, a flower, some stitching, and some bling, and it can be popped off and used as a little bag topper. And then I die cut some little bikinis and some more of the drinks, tropical drinks, including the umbrellas, and added a couple so that the recipient can use them hopefully on a project, and just decorated the bag topper there. So that's the little embellishment book, and hopefully she likes it. So there's that. And then I'm including one of these little stacked ribbon samplers that I have a tutorial on, so I'll link that as well. But really quick and easy to make, and I just added some twine, some lace, glitter, washi tape, more twine in a hot pink, and then I cut some pattern paper from the collection and wrapped that around there. And then I was playing around with the charm, and I thought I would make something fun. So I had this little ice cream button which matched the paper, so I just made a little dangle charm, and these little beads are fun too. I think I saw them this year again at the Dollar Tree, I think. And I just spelled out the word yum, added a little dangle bead, the little ice cream button, a tassel, and another little heart bead there. So I'm including this. And then I added a few little goodies, just some more of the glittery flamingos and a few glittery like tropical leaves from some table scatter that I picked up a while ago at the dollar store, and just added a simple little bag topper in gold and layered up, you know, a die cut that I thought went well, these little glasses, and it's all just being held on with this little clip here. So that's reusable. So that's for the little rack that I'll be sending out. And I wanted to share really quick as well a few things that I have picked up recently. So I'll go ahead and share that. These next things, I met up with Anna, who is Serenity Creations, I think I want to say maybe 2 weeks ago at the Frank Garcia studio, and she was so sweet. She bought this Chamel Glitter Girl collection and gifted it to me. I think she said for my birthday, but she knew I wanted it, and she came across this collection at Tuesday morning, and she picked it up for me. So I'm so thankful, and I can't wait to play with this. It's so bright and colorful. Love this collection. So this was the one I had gifted. I found only one set at Tuesday morning, and I had given it to Armene for her birthday. And so thank you, Anna. I really did want it, but I only found one, so thank you. So it's got these cute little shaker stickers, the ephemera pack, which I had not found, so she was sweet enough to pick one up for me and then one for Armene too. So really cute. And then these enamel charms as well. So there's that. And then she picked up the paper as well, so super cute. Cannot wait to play with this. So I'll do a quick little flip through. Oh, it's backwards. So this is the front actually. And it's a project pad, which I'm starting to really like project pads because it comes with like a sticker sheet. This here, it comes with letters and numbers. So cute, and they're glittered up, some cut aparts. And just some fun pattern papers with bright colors. Love this collection. So I cannot wait to play with it. And then there's also some glitter paper that matches, more pattern paper, and then also just some regular cardstock in matching colors. So sorry, my flip through is not the best. My area is so limited here, so it's hard for me to do like complete flip throughs of the paper pads, but really cute. Love it. Thank you so much, Anna. And while I was there, I went ahead and picked up the new Christmas in the Country paper collection designed by Frank Garcia. It's beautiful. I love all kinds of paper styles. So this is a beautiful vintage paper collection, and it's got lots of foiling and really cute. Again, let me try to do a quick little flip through just so you can get an idea. And these are double-sided papers. And what I like about his paper pads is that you get several, you get 4 sheets of each. So, you know, I can use both sides. I'll have 2 sides of each to use on my project. So really cute. I love the colors. I love that he added red and these beautiful vintage images. So pretty. So there's that from Christmas in the Country. And then I picked up a few of the Satan crystals that goes with the collection right here. And I picked up one of the ephemera packs. He has 2. So for this one, these are the pieces that are included. Really cute. So this is there's another one, but I only picked that one up, and I had to get the puffy stickers. Love the puffy stickers. So the only thing I'm missing now, which I will have to go back, he was out of stock already, was the chipboard ephemera. So that is what I picked up at the Frank Garcia studio. And then I also picked these papers up. I did not pick up the whole collection, just a few papers, so I'm not sure what I'm going to create with it yet, but it's the Wanderlust paper collection by Minte Papers. So this one I just thought was so pretty, this floral, and I also like the back, which is kind of like a burlap design. So I picked 2 of those up, and then I picked up this sheet because I can totally just fussy cut it and make my own ephemera, and I love this little Volkswagen bus, and it comes in a bigger size and a little bit smaller size here, so really cute. I love this, and the back is like a map design. And then I also picked up this sheet here, which is just more cut aparts, like tags or ephemera, and again that cute little Volkswagen with some luggage on top. So cute. So I love the colors and the design of that. And then I stopped by this past week. I went to Joann's, and a while ago I also went to Tuesday morning and picked up a few things. So at Tuesday morning I was able to find this pink paisley confetti wishes, and these are the dimensional stickers. Really cute. Armin used this collection on a couple things that she gifted me, so I was happy to find it. And then here is the confetti wishes 6x6 paper pad, so you can't beat that when you find it at Tuesday morning. So I picked this up. So just super cute. Love that paper. And then I found these little word phrases from Pebbles, so I picked up 1 pack, and it does have 3 sheets, and a light pink, blue, and then a hot pink. And then this glittery word that says family. I thought it was cute. This one says believe. This little pack of Love Lemon metal printed keys. So cute. Love that. And then from Joann's the other day, I picked up this set of little charms that say made with love. I think I have them in silver but not gold, so I picked up a pack of gold. I thought these little puffy stickers were cute, so I picked these up. And then I love these Heidi Swap ones. So and you get 2 sheets, this and this, so I picked these up. They were on sale, not the best sale, but still I thought they were super cute. And then this was a good deal. These were on clearance. It's save the date. It's a table runner in this like rose gold, but you get a ton. It's 84 inches long, and it's like fabric backed, so I thought it would be cute to make some bows or other projects with, and you get so much. So I think this one ended up being, I don't know, maybe 3 something, under $4, maybe under 3. So it was a really good deal. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I mainly wanted to share the little projects and my quick little hauls. But I'll be back with another video to share a few more projects that I've been creating. So hope you're having a great summer, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.